So why are industrial energy audits hard? Well, industrial plants, as you know, they're complex systems. Your motor-powered environments, such as pumps and fans, will behave non-linearly, although other things like crushers may behave in a linear fashion where energy consumption is directly proportional to speed. Duty cycles can vary with production, again, sticking with motors and pumps. So a variable speed drive might help on some loads, or in other loads it actually could even possibly increase energy use. But I have actually seen cases where VSDs have been wrongly specified and caused energy use to increase somewhat counterintuitively. Now then, if we look at process heat and steam, which is a very important area and a large energy use in industrial sites, you're looking at combustion efficiency, condensate return for steam systems, heat recovery, good maintenance practices to prevent fouling, and you also need to look at control strategies that interact well with the production scheduling and don't impair production. On refrigeration or process cooling, well, there's of course seasonal profiles to consider. There's part load efficiency issues. And again, there's problems with equipment needing maintenance, like condensers needing to be maintained and such forth. And also then there's nuances around changing set points and the knock-on effects that can have. Now, compressed air is a notorious money sink due to leaks and maybe pressures being gradually put up higher depending on the needs, and maybe poor storage or controls associated with compressed air. And then if the controls and sequencing in your control systems or SCADA systems are not well done, that can actually quietly undo the best hardware decisions. So because these systems interact, a simple change can actually move costs around. Relieving a bottleneck in one part of the factory could actually increase upstream energy. If you lowered pressure too much, say in an air compressor, that might trigger quality deviation. Changing a set point might increase compressor cycling. And so there's many complexities that need to be considered, which is why an investment grade audit endeavours to measure, model and risk assess, stress test before actually putting forward a recommendation for you to consider. So the good news is that complexity is an opportunity. Often in complex systems, there's very good opportunity to save energy. Often the harder the system, the potentially higher the savings that can be. But only if you tackle it with expertise and I think some patience as well.